Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix non-notification sound in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, turn off Do Not Disturb. Open setting. Now in setting, scroll down, click on sounds and vibration. Scroll down, click on Do Not Disturb and scroll down, click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, turn off do not disturb from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on notification. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Select app that you want. After selecting app, click on app and click on notification and turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on notification from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset accessibility setting. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, scroll down, click on reset Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and accessibility setting and click on reset. After click on reset accessibility setting from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix no notification sound in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.